Hi everyone, my name is Aidan from Bali Bodyboarding and you're watching Bodyboard Hacks, where we discuss all things bodyboarding. Today we're going to talk about how to protect your most important asset as a bodyboarder. That's right, today we're going to be talking about feet. So, regardless of whether you're wearing wetsuit socks or not, I find the best things to use to protect my feet are called Compeed Pads. And you can get them at almost any chemist around the world, apart from if you're in Indonesia, in which case you're going to have to order them off Tokopedia. Now, there's a little bit of an art to putting them on correctly so that they don't come off, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. As you can see here, I have the start of a flipper rub. The area around the rub is clean and dry and there is no infection. Do not apply a Compeed pad if the wound is already infected. So, once I've got my Compeed pads, I take them out of the box, and then what I like to do is heat it up in my hand. I find that they stick a little bit better if they're a little bit warmer rather than if they're going on cold. So yeah, make sure they're a little bit warm. After I've warmed up the pad, I take the backing off and apply it to the affected area. Be sure to check all the edges are smoothed down so that it's all sticking to your skin. For the next part, I use some sports tape to reinforce the edges around the Compeed pad. Once the edges are secure, I leave the dressing on until the pad falls off of its own accord, which is sometimes up to a week. Then I reassess the wound and see if it needs to be dressed again. So there you have it, guys. Compeed pads and sports tape are the best ways that I've found to protect my feet. Sometimes if I know I'm going on a surf trip where I'm going to be doing lots and lots of bodyboarding, I'll actually preemptively put the Compeed pads on the areas of my feet that I know I'm most likely to get the rubs. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Please also let us know if you've got any ideas for other bodyboard hacks, and we look forward to seeing you next time.